I work with a lot of executives and CEOs in different countries and jurisdictions. Oftentimes I'm wearing a legal hat and or executive hat. One of the most critical things I've seen teams do that I want to flag here for our potential founders, entrepreneurs, is that know yourself. And what do I mean by that? If you are a technical founder, let's say as an example, and you have an engineering background, computer science background, you have to be self-aware that you're going to have certain skills and experiences that you may need a co-founder that has complementary skills and experiences. If you are primarily sales and marketing or a COO, you're going to need to have someone to complement your skills. And one of the things that I've implemented with other team members is things like Basadur Profiles. And what these are is they basically drill down into who you are, how you work as a founder, what you are good at, what you may lack, and then it helps you with that introspection of building out your team. And what I've found that it can do, and I've seen it in practice, is that oftentimes, let's say you're starting a company, you've got a founder and a co-founder. As you move up those levels of growth, there starts to be issues with other founders, issues with operations, issues with team members. And one of the key insights that I've gleaned over the years is when you take a function like a Basadur profile, it will start to show, oh, well, when I work with the CEO who is from a design background or from another type of background, a technical background, or a stronger personality, they need this sort of communication and they need to be handled in this way because this is how they view the world. But when I'm working with my front-end designers, they come at it from a totally different perspective. And I've seen that insight change the dynamics on teams that were previously dysfunctional and could become functional just by being aware of those differences amongst the key players.